pop rocks water. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. First, you do the sugar syrup, where candy makers mix together sugar, corn syrup, flavoring, and water. They bring the mixture to a boil, allowing all of the water to evaporate, and then continue cooking the new sugar syrup to 280 degrees Fahrenheit. While the syrup cooks, the candy maker mixes the syrup with a long tube that has mixing paddles at one end. The candy maker maintains the sugar syrup temperature at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. And while the sugar syrup is still hot, the candy makers combine it with carbon dioxide at 600 per square inch. It's the same gas that soft manufacturers put into their carbonated beverage to make them fizzy. They injected the carbon dioxide through the top of the mixing tube. As the carbon dioxide exists, the end of the tube that is submerged in the sugar syrup, the spinning paddle mixing the syrup also distributes the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide forms tiny, high-pressure bubbles throughout the syrup. The candy makers then cool the syrup. After it has cooled and hardened, the high-pressure carbon dioxide bubbles are trapped into the candy when the candy makers withdraw the mechanism that injected carbon dioxide into the syrup. The candy shatters. The candy makers package the shattered candy and sell it as soon as possible because the carbon dioxide effect can fade as the candy gets older. Oh, this is the fun. The fun part is when you put Pop Rock in your mouth. Your saliva dissolves the hardened sugar. As the Pop Rock dissolves, the bubble embedded throughout the candy open, releasing the high pressure carbon dioxide. The popping and crackling sound and tickling sensation you feel on your tongue all come from the bubble releasing that high pressure carbon dioxide. Thank you. It was very, I'm very pleased.